Once upon a time, in a colorful land called Numberville, numbers were alive, and each had a special job. But something strange had happened. 3 very important numbers had gone missing. Number 3, letter C, and color pink. The citizens were in a panic and needed a hero. That's when Ellie, the curious elephant, decided to step in. Ellie had long, floppy ears and never forgot anything. She loved solving mysteries and munching on peanuts. As she walked down the rainbow road, she saw the numbers 1 and 2 scratching their heads. "Can you help us figure out which number comes next?" asked Ellie, turning to the audience with a mischievous grin. 5-second pause. "Did you guess 3? That's right. You're so clever." Ellie cheered, and a sparkling golden number 3 appeared in the air. Next, Ellie waddled towards Word Woods, where letters danced through the air. She spotted A and B doing somersaults, but C was nowhere to be found. "Oh dear, can you help us find our C?" Ellie asked the children. 5-second pause. "That's it, you found it. What a superstar you are." Now the letter C giggled with glee and joined its friends in the alphabet song. Excited with the success, Ellie had the last task: finding the lost magic color pink in the Garden of Hues. Without pink, the colors look dull and sad. The garden is missing something. Can you help us discover what? Ellie asked with her trunk raised high. 5-second pause. "You did it. You brought back pink. You're a true hero." And with a twirl and a pop, the vibrant pink filled the garden, making the flowers dance in joy. With number 3, letter C, and color pink safe and sound, Numberville was back at its cheerful self. Ellie was a little tired, but incredibly happy. She thanked the children for their amazing help and invited them to visit whenever they liked. "Remember, my brave adventurers, no problem is too big when we work together." And with a trumpeting farewell, Ellie returned to her peanut tree, dreaming of more adventures with her newfound friends. This special journey not only taught the children about numbers, letters, and colors, but also showed them the power of teamwork and problem solving. Bravo! You're part of Ellie's great adventure.